Put lots of tequila.
And
then drink.
Everybody gets drunk.
Pretty much.
There you are. Okay.
Oh wait. How you open it?
No, it's like that. You want...
You show us how.
Does that work?
Yeah,
No?
like
yeah,
that.
there it goes.
Yeah.
So,
You give instructions.
okay.
Instructional.
So when you make this, like if you're making, you do 1.5 of tequila.
Oh, make it 2.
Make it 2.
No, I probably have to do it again, but this is like the percentages.
And that's
This is
what
triple
it's called.
sec.
You
Triple
brought
sec?
the measuring cup?
Yeah, it's right here.
Huh?
No, it's yours. The measuring cup is yours. I know how to open the bottle.
You open the triple sec, Kuya Nono.
Oh, so you just have to be smarter than the bottle. And then this triple sec is a half. But I like it. Like,
It also
a
has
little more
liquor
than a half.
inside with that?
Yeah, but it's not a very high. 39%.
No, not very high,
Usually no, it's not.
39%?
39, and then this lime juice is a funny color, so we'll see how it tastes.
Usually what color is it?
As long as it's not
I don't
blue.
know, not so neon. You know. Let's see if that one.
Meron pa talagang... Ay, ano pa niya talaga ng salty yung ano. There you are.
Ah,
Bakit blue?
You're just joking. It's gonna turn to margarita again.
okay.
Genie, lalagay kita sa YouTube, Genie.
There's the one with the salt already.
Oh, she's salting them.
Yeah.
Does anybody like without salt?
It's
Good
nicer,
salt.
yes,
Want the
it's
salt?
not, yes. Wow.
You try it first. Is it okay?
What?
Sarap.
ba?
Better than margarita in Paris Point. It's blue ale.
Kaya Nonoy, kayo.
Sarap. Sarap, Tajin. Tikman. Sarap.
Does it taste okay?
I can drink one picture of that. Oh yeah, sarap. Sarap, no? Like?
It tastes like a real
Like?
margarita.
What's your comment? Puro asin yung ating He said it's salty.
Oh, well, then you have one without salt.
Nga, kuya, huwag ka lalabas ka. The instruction on
Okay,
finish now.
that's the Margarita
Thank you.
101 class.
Thank you, Sarja.
Yeah, that's what a margarita should taste like.
Tomorrow you're on YouTube.
Ah!